Hey, welcome to my Wednesday video. And don't worry, my regular videos are still on Saturday mornings. So today I've got this iPad, and you can see it's in pretty rough shape. And it was given to me to scrap. BoardSort, they buy tablets. If you want to check out their website, it's just boardsort.com. Pretty easy to remember. They pay 25 cents a pound for any tablet. So that would be Kindles, iPads, etc. This weighs a toque over 1 pound. So that is basically 25 cents at BoardSort. But that doesn't include the cost to ship that. Check with your scrapyards to see if they buy tablets and what sort of price they would have. This one at least has an aluminum back, so we're going to get some sort of value on there. I've never opened one of these up. I'm not really expecting a lot from it. And we already have a helping hand, so... Okay, so there's the look inside, and here's our lithium-ion battery. So we want to be careful with that. So I'm just going to gently get under this lithium-ion battery. I don't want to pierce it and short anything out and start a fire. Probably doing it all wrong, and someone in the comments is going to tell me that. Okay, so here is the two connections. I'm going to put some blue tape over that just to protect them. Alright, now that is ready to recycle at my dump for free. It just looks like there's a lot of little screws in here. Let me remove some of those real quick. Okay, now we're starting to look more like some computer components. Huh. That piece doesn't stick, and I checked it with the file, so that is stainless, but it's got this coating and other junk on there. So at my yard, that's dirty stainless. And the same with this piece. And that's just like some copper film. That really is not anything. And that other one, that looks like it's also a lithium-ion battery. You know, honestly, at this stage, you might just be best to sell this as aluminum breakage. I'm really not seeing anything here. This piece is going to hopefully be copper. And yes, so we have a little copper. Now we can go buy thousands of dollars in Christmas gifts. Yeah, this board is pretty pathetic. It's also glued to this piece of aluminum extremely well. Let's see about this little puppy. Sometimes there's some gold that we can get for recovery. Magnet doesn't stick, so more stainless. Yeah, there's a few small gold pins right here. That looks like where the SIM card went into. I think that's what I'm going to do, is I'm just going to sell this as aluminum breakage. And there really is no point removing anything else. You're just taking weight off, and get this as a clean piece of aluminum. Just wouldn't be worth it. So let's have a look at the screen here. I've always been curious to see inside an iPad. It makes sense that BoardSort doesn't pay a whole lot for them. I'm sure they sell them to companies that have thousands of these. and all the right tools and whatnot to recover all the precious metals. Yeah, so we got a board here. It's just like you find on your flat screen TVs. Let's see if we can get that out. Apple's really good at gluing every stuff. They don't want you to get into these. Alright, so yeah, there's a little bit of gold flashing right there. So there's our gold. That whole entire board is what we're after. Kind of like filleting a fish. You just wiggle your knife, keeping your hands out of the way. All right. Okay. So we got a little bit of gold flashing on here. Now, I believe this type of board, we want to pull off those covers. These boards go as a high-grade peripheral at Board Sort. So we got something. So these pieces are going to be stainless steel. I'm just going to put them in my dirty. Well, that one came clean. So either dirty stainless or clean stainless. There's more of that high peripheral board we'll put together. And that can go into old sheet aluminum. It's light as a feather. Got the rest of that aluminum off of there. If you can't get all this black tape cleaned off, or at least enough of it, then just toss this into your dirty aluminum breakage, whatever your scrapyard calls it. And the rest of this is plastic film. All right, here's a look at our iPad. We're going to have the clean old sheet aluminum. This is all going to go as aluminum breakage in our tiny little piece of copper. Woo! This is going to be the high-grade peripheral board, and then our 2 lithium-ion batteries that need to be recycled. This is insulated ribbon wire, and then we're going to have the dirty stainless steel. All right, so there we have 20 cents in value. Not much at all. So yeah, check with your scrapyards to see if they'll buy tablets from you. If not, you can ship them to Board Sort at 25 cents a pound. Yeah, not too much going on with them, but hey, that was fun. I've always been curious to see what was inside. Now we all know. But yeah, anyways, this is going to conclude my quick little Wednesday video. I'll be back Saturday with my regular videos, so hopefully y'all will tune in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Please hit the like button because it does help the video. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I just pray y'all have a great week. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.